The last tutorial that we did was the vlookup tutorial. And so what we did, we stated that we want to look up for 2020 in these figures. So for 2020, the amount would have been 720. And if we state 2017, it would have been 560. But if we put 2015, we are going to get an error. Okay? So this tutorial, we are going to look at the if error statement. If there's an error. So basically what we're going to do, we're going to modify this formula to accommodate if there's an error. So let's put if error what this formula is saying, if error vlookup. So basically it is saying if vlookup produce an error, then we should put a 0. So basically what this is telling us, if you put in 2015 and it is not in the amount, then the amount would be 0. So if we put 2020, it's going to say 720. And if we put 2016, it is going to say 780. But we put 2015, it's going to say 0 because the 0 is not in the amount. So basically what we did, we put the if error formula. So what the if error formula does, it angles the error. So if there's an error, it produces a 0. Okay, so let me repeat. The if error formula, what it does, it captures the error and replaces it with a 0. So if vlookup, this is saying that if the vlookup formula produces an error, then the answer would be 0. Thank you.